Today, I am Masraydin B. Pendulat, Executive Clemency Investigation Process. So, kani ang procedure to follow kung ang prisoner mag-apply for a pardon or a reduction sa ilang sentensya, which is ang maka-decide kay ang President of the Philippines. So, mao ni ang process. First kay ang prisoner writes a petition ug isubmit sa Office of the President, or ang President refers the case to the Board of Pardons and Parole or BPP. Ay referral sa board, ang BPP mag-review sa case ug isend sa parole ang Probation Administration or PAA for investigation. Next kay investigation by the PPA, and ang PPA nag-imbestiga sa kaso sa prisoner o background. Ang PPA kay nagagather og reports like prisoners behavior and case history. They submit the finding to the BPP within 30 days. Next kay recommendation by the board, ang BPP mag-review sa investigation, mag-recommend kung approve or deny ang request, ug ang board ang mag-send og report sa President. Last is ang decision by the President. Ang President mag-review sa recommendation ug mag-decide. Ang decision are grant and denial. Grant, if approved, ang prisoner ma-release under conditions set in the conditional pardon document. Ang deny, if denied, the prisoner continues their sentence in prison. So, that's all. Thank you.